Hello friends, welcome to my new YouTube video. Last time many of our friends said that I should be making this video in English because they had some issues with understanding Hindi. So I am making this video in English, and at the same time I'll try to dub it in Hindi as well. So let's begin. So last time, as I said, that we would be introducing some new Bluetooth boards. So here are few Bluetooth boards which have Bluetooth integration in it. I'll begin with the smallest one. This is the first Bluetooth board what we can see, and this is just a pre-amplifier, means that you'll have to integrate this with the amplifier. You can give 5 volts from here, or you can attach a 3.7 volt lithium battery, and from here you can give the output to the board, right? So this is the pre-amplifier Bluetooth board. Here we have a 3.5 mm jack as well. So this is a very small compact pre-amplifier board. The cost is somewhere around 120-130 rupees. Please also note that the prices keep fluctuating because these are all imported products, so various factors are dependent on the pricing. So this is just for your reference purpose. The price may change in the future. So this is the pre-amplifier board. Please note that this particular IC logo JL you will be seeing almost in every board. So this is a Chinese IC, and the quality of this particular IC is very good. There is no noise in Class D amplifier when we integrate this Bluetooth IC with our Class D amplifiers. So this was the first to begin with. The second comes with this is a small Bluetooth board built in with an amplifier. So it is having a 5 watt plus 5 watt output. You can see there are two ICs integrated, so each of them will give you a 5 watt output. So what will happen, you can directly integrate a 2-inch speaker. It is just like PAM 8403. So if you would have used, you must be knowing that there is a PAM 8403 IC with the 3 watt and 3 watt stereo output. So similar kind of ICs are this. Again, these ICs are Chinese make, but the quality is very good. The same Bluetooth IC is integrated, right? And here you can give the connections of speakers, and from here you can give audio input. And this is again micro USB for connecting your power. So this is how this board works. This board is very compact, and the price range is somewhere around 170 rupees. The model number is M38. So it is a very nice board with a integrated small amplifier, right? So here comes the third board. The third board is again a Chinese board with a Chinese IC. What is happening nowadays, that there are few Chinese ICs that are performing very well. So you just have a look. Again, there is a same Bluetooth IC, and at the same time there is another Chinese IC for amplification, and it uses somewhere around 12 volt to 18, 19, 20 volt, even 24, below 24 volts. It's work very nice, and it gives 15 plus 15 watt power. So its model number is XYP15W. The build quality is very solid. The audio quality is also very nice. Here are 3 sets of connector, so you can connect power. The voltage is already written here, right? Speaker left and speaker right. So you can connect these, and you cannot guess the power this board generates without any heat sink or means it is just majestic, that once you see and once you hear this particular board, you will be just like, wow, means it's a small bomb, what we can see. So here comes the fourth variant. This is TPA3110 board, which gives a stereo output of 15 watt plus 15 watt. Now this board is built with the IC that brand we know. So it is basically developed with a Texas Instrument IC TPA3110. So some people prefer this particular board over this, but the quality of this particular board is better than TPA3110. So it has again a Bluetooth receiver integrated. Here we can find a volume knob, and inside it we can see that the IC is there, TPA3110, right? So these are the inductors and these are the connecting pins. We can put the voltage over here, input voltage, and after that these output pin for the speakers, and there is a switch for key muting and I believe for the other switches and mute, so on off switch and mute, I think. So after that we are looking for our next variant. This is the another variant which comes which IC is TDA7498. This IC is gives an stereo output of 100 watt plus 100 watt. Again, it is a Bluetooth board. You can see the Bluetooth antenna integrated. Same Bluetooth IC is being used everywhere. It comes with a memory card slot as well as this particular earphone jack and a volume knob. So we can connect our speakers from here. We can give our current from here, and this is again a very powerful board of 100 plus 100 watt, and the quality is pretty good. So the price range with it comes from, it is a very powerful board. I believe it is somewhere around 1000 rupees. After that, what we can see is the next board. This is TPA3116, which is a 50 watt plus 50 watt IC. So there are two ICs integrated. It looks like XHM139. If you would have seen, this is a 2.1 board. So this is the Bluetooth version of that particular board, and here we can connect the woofer, and speaker 1 and speaker 2 could be connected. Again, we can give audio input from here. This is the Bluetooth IC. This is for Sterling, this is for bass, and this is for volume. So at the back side you would be able to set that there is a antenna for Bluetooth. So again, this is a Bluetooth board with 50 plus 50 plus 100 watt output. Pretty powerful board. It comes with a price range of somewhere around 1500 rupees. After that, I love to tell you about this particular board. This is a Gem Audio board. You could see the brand over here, Gem Audio. So Gem Audio board, the build quality is very solid, very high quality and standard product it is. It comes with 2.1, two ICs are there, TPA3116 again, and it has a line in from here and from earphone jack as well. You can give power from here or from here. So these are the 2 points to give power. So it comes with a volume, main volume, left right volume, treble, bass and bass frequency. So this is the new thing that comes with this particular board, that we can control the bass frequency as well. So you again you can see that there is a Bluetooth antenna and a Bluetooth IC integrated. So this is a very the sound quality of this particular board is extremely good. You cannot compare this particular board with any of the boards till now what you have seen, right? So pause karo. The next board is my favorite board. This is a Woozy built audio amplifier, again on TPA3116, but what you can see is the build quality is extremely good. Means I haven't seen this kind of build quality in any of the amplifiers board till now. So I'll show you the inside PCB mounting as well. Let me unscrew these screws, and what you will see is the build quality is phenomenal, and the audio is also class apart. So just let's see. You would be able to see the quality of the board. You just pay attention to the class of SMT soldering what has been done, the quality of connectors, the quality of heatsink, the quality of inductors. Each and everything is extremely good, and it comes with this upper and lower case, so it in itself become a kind of box. So, and even all the connectors have has been listed with the output and functionality what it does. you can see that we can connect and DC input. We can see that here is the Bluetooth antenna. We can see that it is an aux and main volume, main bass, treble, volume, and again for woofer volume and woofer frequency. So this board and this particular board, these boards come with a woofer frequency setting as well. So the quality of audio what you get in this particular board cannot be compared with any of these you have seen till now. So I'll recommend, means if you want to invest in a class apart amplifier, this is the one you should be opting for, right? And finally friends, I have two other boards here as well. So what happens, these are not a Bluetooth or a amplifier or pre-amplifier. This is just a subwoofer board. What happens, few of my customers and friends have asked that they don't have a board that means they have a 2.0 or 4.0 speaker and they want to connect a subwoofer to it. So this is a TPA 3116 IC board in which you get a 100-watt output just for subwoofer. So there is no audio output in this particular board, just a subwoofer output you will get. After that, this is another a very useful board. This is a karaoke board. So what happens, you can connect two mics in this board, and what will happen, you can control echo and width of the audio what you are putting through in the in the mic. And here are the volume button to control the volume output of mic, as well as what you the audio you put in. So audio in and audio out, and here you will be able to connect the power supply. And this is another very powerful and very useful board for this particular purpose, right? So this is all for this time friends. Next time I will bring you some more professional and high quality with a high wattage boards. So as said last time that I would be bringing some Bluetooth boards. These are the boards I was talking about. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next time. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.